grab it.
You got that?
Oh yeah. How many hundreds are we pulling off for this one? Joe, where's your dollar? What kind of bug is this anyways? Let's see.
That's 18 bucks, bro.
18. Anybody else got $2 on it? That's 20.
That's 3 times what you got paid plus last time.
No, we gave him 10 last time. And that was for a praying mantis. This is for something else.
Alright, bro.
Let's see what it is first. It's like a Katie did or something.
Oh
Yeah.
There you go,
It's
bro.
alive. It's got to be
You guys
alive.
ready?
Eaten alive or not, no money.
I gotta see this thing on video first. Hold on. Where's it at?
Here's your grandpa. You can make him proud.
Oh, that's exactly what it is. Katie did.
That thing's weird looking.
It's gonna be new stuff like in about 30 seconds.
I can feel it pulsing.
Yeah.
Oh!
It wants to fly. It wants to beat its wings.
Ready?
You know, it wants to live.
Tastes funny.
Sure it does.
Hey, you shoot that bitch.
Oh my god. You're nasty.
Yeah.
I bet you go blow